Ever wonder what type of heat transfer paper to use? I'll show you how to heat apply 5 different kinds of heat transfer papers and why you would want to use each type. So which one should you use and why? We'll start with inkjet transfer paper. This paper is used with an inkjet printer and can be heat applied to cotton and polyester. It can be used on white or light colored fabrics. You must print it in a mirrored image, which looks backwards. You want to be sure to trim the excess paper away from the printed area before heat applying. This prevents from seeing a shadow or background coating where the excess paper was. Inkjet transfer paper is heat applied at 350 degrees for 16 seconds with firm pressure. Peel it hot immediately after application. Next is inkjet stretch transfer paper. This paper is used with an inkjet printer and can be heat applied to cotton, polyester, spandex, or lycra. This paper has great stretch and rebound, so it's perfect for swimwear and athletic apparel. It can be used on white or light colored fabrics, must be printed in a mirror image, and it's also recommended to trim the excess paper away from the printed area. Inkjet stretch transfer paper is heat applied at 375 degrees for 25 seconds with medium pressure. You can peel it hot or cold. The last type of paper for an inkjet printer I'll talk about is inkjet opaque transfer paper. This paper can be applied to cotton and polyester and can be used on dark garments. The transfer paper is on a backing, so the image can be trimmed out with a cutter that has an optical eye instead of scissors. This allows a precise cut line around the image. Since it's on the paper backing, you print in a regular image and peel away the backing once it's been cut out. Inkjet opaque transfer paper is heat applied with a craft paper cover sheet at 375 degrees for 15 seconds with firm pressure. Then peel away the craft sheet once the paper has cooled, at least 2 minutes. Now let's move on to laser printer transfer papers. SC Premium Color Laser Copier transfer paper can be heat applied to cotton or polyester fabrics. It can be used on white or light colored fabrics, must be printed in a mirror image, and it's also recommended to trim the excess paper away from the printed area. SC Premium transfer paper is heat applied at 375 degrees for 12 seconds with firm pressure. Then peel hot immediately after application. And finally, a transfer paper that you don't have to trim to prevent seeing a shadow or background coating. Exact print transfer paper. It can be applied to white or light colored cotton and polyester fabrics and must be printed in a mirror image. But you don't have to trim it. Simply heat apply at 330 degrees for 30 seconds with firm pressure. Then peel after a few seconds. Cover with a cover sheet and seal for 30 more seconds.